rock cakes recipe that's quick and easy. Now don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great recipes. You'll need 2 baking trays and you need to line them with baking paper ready. And then you need to preheat your oven to 170 degrees centigrade fan. You need 200 grams of self-raising flour and 75 grams of cold butter. Then you want to blitz this up in your food processor. Don't worry if you don't have one, you can use the rubbing in method with your hands. It needs to resemble something like fine breadcrumbs. Then you want half a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 75 grams of caster sugar, a pinch of salt, 80 grams of mixed dried fruit with mixed peel, ideal for using Christmas leftovers up. Then you need to beat 2 eggs and add to the mixer. Just pulse it so it combines. Then add around 50 ml of milk. Do it bit by bit because you want the mixture to be slightly sticky but not stiff. Divide the mixture up into around about 10, and what you need to do is make sure you give them some space because they slightly expand during cooking. Place in the oven and then bake for around about 20 minutes. And once cooked, place on a wire rack to let them cool. You can tell that they are rock cakes because they go hard underneath. Serve with clotted cream, jam, butter. The list is endless. The full recipe that you can print out and get more great ideas from is on the website, and you can watch the video again. There is also the nutritional fact sheets too. All you have to do is go to my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.